3, 2, 1.
Hey there, my friend. Jason Jordan here. Back with day number 10 in the new series, How to Turn $20 into a Full-Time Income, step by step in about an hour a day. So first, if you haven't subscribed, I'd sure appreciate if you would subscribe if you're seeing this. If you're watching this video and you haven't joined us yet, please go back to the beginning and go ahead and join us. And then you can watch these videos, and step by step is going to show you where to go and how to set all this up. I've done some tutorials in there on short form videos and set up your domain and things like that, which we also have included in the free training site. Absolutely free, just for you, so that you can be successful the second you step into this. Okay. So what I want to do today for day number 10 is I'm going to talk about traffic. Now, the majority of what I talk about today is going to be paid traffic and how this can also benefit you and your pocketbook, because you can monetize traffic as well and have yet another income stream. As we talked about in the last couple of videos, monetizing YouTube for a second income stream. This is yet again a third income stream that you're going to be able to monetize with if you choose to do so. I'm going to show you that today. But first, I would like to go through just a recap of what we have gone over up to this point and what you should go and look at before you watch this video, and go ahead and join up with us so that we can get you going. Okay, so let's see. We have logged in and created your free training site account, which just took a few seconds to do. You should have joined our Facebook community. Just takes a few seconds to do that, so you can stay up to date on everything that we're doing. Sign up for our team email list, again, really quick. And this way you can stay in contact with the team so that you know what's going on, and then we can help you if you need help. How to set up your links. Takes like 10 minutes. We did a short tutorial on that, and there's more information inside the free training funnel, of course, in the team site. Okay. So time blocking for business and the importance of that we went through. Set your goals and the importance of why we set goals with this business. Knowing your avatar. Again, it's about knowing your audience and who are you out to help. Okay. Really good training inside. We did how to set up your forwarding domain, which took a little bit longer than the others, but still only 10 or 15 minutes, and you're going to be good to go there. And I go through that in detail in one of my videos, and then we do it again in detail inside the free training system, inside the team site. So done. And then we went through the short form video training and examples, and I showed you in detail how to get started doing those. We went through direct messaging and the formula for direct messaging. So you go through that full training to get all of that correct. How to set up your Facebook group, we went over. Now it's going to take you a little longer to do, but the payoff is going to be worth doing for sure. So you're going to want to do that. Okay. Then we went through creating and set up your YouTube channel and the importance of doing so. And again, that's where we talked about that is an additional income stream. Once you get to that point, once you grow that channel, now you're going to get paid from people watching your videos. Okay. So first stream from the business, from joining our business. The second stream, probably the second stream, the faster second stream would be traffic. And then your third stream would be your YouTube channel that you build while advertising your business. Okay. So it all works together. And in the last video, we went through just briefly about Craigslist. I didn't give a lot of details because that training is only for inside our team. Which brings us to setting up your automated traffic. Okay, right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the traffic, and I'm going to show you where the traffic comes from, kind of explain how that works, and how you can get signed up to also monetize that portion. Okay. Because that is what you're going to want to do for sure. If you can monetize something and it's something that's going to help you, then why would you not do that? Okay. So let me jump back over here. And we're going to go into the members area, which I'm already in from the last one. And you're going to go right here to set it and forget it traffic. This is where you're going to be prompted to set up your traffic account. And then once you do that, you would be brought to the TA's traffic page so that you can pick what kind of package you want, whether it be just buy a package to run traffic one time, or to buy the it is set it and forget it traffic that we have now, which means if you get that, you will buy it for a monthly fee. You will pay that monthly fee per month, but you will always have traffic running on your behalf to your link all the time. And it's nothing to have to remember to go back and do anything. It's just always running, because as long as you pay that bill every month, that is just going to continue running on your behalf. And that's why it's set it and forget it. You never have to worry about it. Okay. So let's go jump into TA right here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here. And once you get in, you're going to come in here and go through how to set this up. Okay. Which is all explained inside here. And it's also explained inside our free training system for the team. All right. So whenever I buy traffic, and TA is really good traffic. So Traffic Authority is a leader in the traffic business. Very good leads come out of Traffic Authority. A lot of buyers come out of Traffic Authority. I myself always have traffic running in the background all the time from Traffic Authority. I still do all the organic traffic. I still do a lot of free ads. I do some other paid ads at some other places, which if you go back and watch a couple of my other videos, I show you how to do that in some of those. But I use a lot of different sources, but Traffic Authority is honestly the one traffic source that I know I have gotten more leads and more sales from than any of the others. Now, it's not necessarily cheap, but you get what you pay for. Okay. So once you come in here, you're going to be prompted to I've been with them for a while, so I get some discounts and things, but you're going to be prompted to go in here and purchase a package. Now yours won't be this much, right? It'll be less than this because it'll be one package. But what you're also going to have is an opportunity. And actually, I'm just going to show you. I've got a link here. Stand by. I'm going to show you. We also have a set it and forget it traffic system. And that's, let me show you what that looks like right here. So whenever you come in here, and of course, since I'm already a member, this just pops up with my information. But what you've got here, which you're going to have this opportunity to have this. So my advice would be, when you join, go ahead and join Traffic Authority also. They do free training inside Traffic Authority for the traffic in the program. I would take it one step further and I would go ahead and join as a reseller. Okay. There is a fee. Can't remember right now what that fee is, but there is a fee. But then you get paid. So say you bring somebody else on under you, okay, in SHG, and they go and buy traffic from TA. Now you get a commission from that purchase as well. So not only have you monetized with this SHG, now you're going to monetize with your traffic and your traffic packages, but then you monetize your YouTube channel. Now you've got 3 sources of income that are always going to be working for you all the time. Okay. Now this in particular here, I actually just sold a package. I think it was a gold pack. And so every month I get paid a commission. It's like clockwork. Every single month, I'll bring it up because I just got paid today, this commission. And it just, they pay the bill, I get paid a commission. Okay. And this is just set it and forget it. So you come in here, you pick it. Excuse me, you set down here where you want it to go to. So you'd put your link in here and you would pay for it, submit your order. You would sign up for your recurring payments so that you don't have to worry about it. And then it's just done. And this is going to go out and it's going to send clicks every month to your link for you. And another good thing about this through Traffic Authority, every 3 months, they're going to add clicks to this. They're going to add 25 to this every 3 months. Okay. So the first 3 months, you're going to see 100 per month. Then after that, you're going to see 125 per month for 3 months. Then after that, you're going to see 150 per month. Okay. So they're going to add to it as you go and as you pay for incentive to stay with us, incentive to stay with Traffic Authority. It really is good traffic. It is the one proven source that I'm using that I can easily prove works. And I will actually prove that when you monetize this system, you will also make money. Okay. So right here, like I said, I got paid today there. Last week I had another one. So last month, there we go, it's $1,300. I haven't been with them that long, so I'm still building this. But here you go. So almost $2,700. And this is just a side income stream that I don't do any extra advertising for. This just is part of the system I'm advertising. People come in, they see traffic, they need traffic, they join. Okay. Now they pay, I make a commission. So here you go. So how about this, for just extra side income? I mean, what would that do for you? Okay. I mean, sometimes you got to stop and just ask the question, what would this do for me? Okay. And this just grows. I mean, I know people on here that are making thousands and thousands of dollars through Traffic Authority with their commissions. So, but I wanted to show you that, and I want to talk a little bit about how it worked, and it's the way to go. So, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel up to this point, I would sure appreciate if you would do that. Like I say, it helps me out. It's free, so it costs you nothing to be here. I hope you're getting something out of these videos. I hope some things that I'm showing you is maybe tipping the scale, because we really are here to help people get something back and to help people save money. Okay, so again, I've talked about my savings in some of the previous videos, but again, just in savings alone, as soon as I signed up, I saved $4,000 for the year, which equated to about $330 a month. Now, I'm a Titanium member, So that's $200 or $199 a month. My wife also is a Titanium member. So honestly, now I'm fully monetized. She's not quite there yet, but we're getting her there. But with the savings that I get from SHG, and now that I've monetized, I'm only paying her fee. And eventually I won't be paying that. It'll just be free, and she can continue marketing, and we will continue building these commissions up. So it's pretty cool. It works really well. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate your interest. But just go back to the previous videos, join up, go through the videos. If you're ready to join at this point, there is always a link below the video, and there's some little arrows pointing at it. Join here. Okay, go right there, get joined up. Once you do that, you're going to get an email from me, a text message from me with instructions. You're going to get a link for your free funnel site and training system. Okay, I'm going to do that probably within, depending on what time it is, probably within an hour or so of you signing up. I'm going to send that information out to you so that you can go ahead and get started. And you can go ahead and get started and get out there, get your savings. Okay, the savings are phenomenal. And then get out there and start making some of this residual money. Then you monetize your traffic, monetize your YouTube. Now you've got 3 streams of set it and forget it, not only traffic, but you've got set it and forget it residual income coming to your bank account every week, every day, every month, that you don't have to worry about. Now, who doesn't want that? I'll wait. Anybody? No? All right, guys, I appreciate you being here. Like I said, underneath there's a link if you're ready to get started. If you're not quite ready yet, I will have one more video after this one in the series, and then I'm going to end this series because I'm done. If you have not subscribed by now, please do so. I sure appreciate it. There are a few other videos inside my channel with some other opportunities that I have going on. I'm going to keep doing these series because I think these are very helpful for people to understand everything that we have going on, and hopefully gives more information than someone new like myself coming into this business. Was not sure how things worked. I figured out a lot by myself. I took some trainings and figured those out. But this right here, this is more one-on-one. It's easy for me to get in here and go through these and show you exactly what you need to do, where you need to go, and kind of what some of those results are going to be. Okay. So thanks, guys. Please subscribe, like this video, ring the bell so you get notified when I put videos out. I am going to start on some new series with some other businesses that I have going on, so watch for those. Again, thanks for being here, and see you on the next video. Later.